Mutombo, HIV positive, Mutombo. One get shot down the same place in a retirement, they didn't call her man frame. Fabricated lie, plan lie, everything a lie. You hear when you ask her this?
Gonna need to listen this interview from start to finish. Yo, I am listening this interview and it make the ear at the back of my neck stand up. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Please subscribe and tell people about the channel. But, yo, I am going right into this. You remember Mutombo? I think police them kill him a couple years ago. And when them kill him, them say him was a wanted man, this, that, whatever. But we never really know the story behind Mutombo. Well, Sir P do the interview, and me nah lie, him nail it. And somebody from the neighborhood who knows Mutombo and him girl is giving an interview. Listen, gonna need to listen this interview from start to finish. Yo, I am listening this interview and it make the ear at the back of my neck stand up.
Question, when you ask her the questions, no go so sir. And she basically carry the man around, they go left the man to kill his uncle. Because she never worked for the day she born. She do scamming, and when he was the find out they have kids. Yeah, hearing you clear.
Okay, you sent me a voice note pertaining to a lady that I did an interview with, which is Miss it's Avia.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you have to say where Avia and Mutombo, Mr. Earl is concerned? Go ahead.
Okay. You think what I have to say? I hear she was talking. They tell you what she and Mutombo. Mutombo was looking at her for how much years and so forth. No, sir. That is not true. She grew up in the era.
Hold on.
She live in the same.
Hold on. Okay, and what is the name of that area?
The Spring Garden.
Oh, Spring Garden.
Yes, I hear she mentioned it enough time.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, and she grew up here, and she there, and she go to school, and she leave. When she get big, she leave, and she go about her business, go live and so forth. She used to do scamming, because she never worked on the day she born. She do scamming, and one of the time she leave out her age, she come out of the scamming thing, and she buy a car and so forth, and must be like a one room.
Nah lie, Sir P, you do a wicked job on that one, yeah. But nah lie, you ask all the right questions, my lord. Yo, respect for this. What I would like is the police then give a detailed explanation so we as John public can know. Because listen, all this information should have been said by the police. And next thing I want to talk about is this worthless girl. The girl them are Jamaica, enough for them so workless. She saying Mutombo is looking her. And she knows that boy there, I want dirty killer. And him have HIV.
Okay, fine. Just a second. Just for a moment, when I say she do scamming, you know, she not want to scam for herself, or she not want to deal with scam and go pick up money for them as a runner?
She chopped the line for herself.
Oh, she chopped the line for herself?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, go ahead, continue.
Yeah, so she come back in the area and come build up her like one room and live in the area and so forth. And she go and come up and I think she married to one German man or something like so. And the man who oversaw she there.
Okay.
When this guy start to, this guy was a good guy. I tell you the truth, he was a good guy in the area because when he younger, he go around and he work for people and so forth. So he was a good guy, good behaving guy. The first time we realized that something wrong with him, it's like since that. He used to work for this man, but his name is Akelia.
Okay.
he robbed Mr. Kelly, so US money and Jamaican money and so forth. And from him rob the money, he go buy a gun. And from him buy a gun, it's just like he stop work for people. So all when you hear she say about she grew on and work for people, all when in the area, nothing like that. Nothing like that. And
me not lie, me I listen to this brother I talk on the interview, and it's like me I say to myself, like, what the hell is this? Yo, you know, sister, people crazy. People crazy. Jamaica need to get a straight mental health, like Bellevue. We need mental health prison where we can put some of them people there. Yo, a straight madness. It make the ear at the back of my neck stand up. Listen to how Mutombo get broke out and start the peer fuckery. Listen to this, yo.
Funny have the gun, is a change guy. So he start to
hold on.
go around and
just another
be a
question.
menace.
Just another question, please. So you're making it absolutely clear that Mr. O'Shane Earl was a good guy growing up in the community. You're basically confirming that which Miss Ava mentioned, right?
He was a good guy growing up in the community.
And it was when he robbed his boss some US and go and acquire a firearm. That was when he basically turned for the worse.
Return for the worse.
Okay, go ahead, continue.
As the man was looking for him, because the man was a light of a man that he was looking for him too. And he was saying that anyway, see the man, he don't kill the man and so forth. Two guys, him and another guy was working for the man.
Okay.
Him and another guy was working for the man. And when the man, they search for him and can't find, he left for the man place. And he never worked for the man again. The next guy was working for the man.
Okay.
And him thinks that the next guy don't got the talk on him or whatsoever. One Saturday morning, he call the guy went to Spring Garden, and he call the guy on his phone, and the guy leave and come to him. And by the time the guy come to him, he kill the guy in the road. In the middle of the road on Saturday morning, they say kill the guy.
Okay, so you're trying to tell me that Mutombo and the guy, Mutombo and his co-worker that robbed this boss, he feel like you did a snitch on him?
Right.
Okay, because him say man a snitch, them call him to get rid of the snitch. I understand, go ahead.
Right.
Now, how much sicker can it get? See him start get bad now, and him kill him friend. That's why, me personally, a pum like him couldn't even call me. Cause number one, me know you kill people, me dey on my guard. Cause guess what? Me I kill you before you blood clot kill me. And that's how me feel.
Right. And from this on now, it's like he broke out. He broke out and they're doing thing and going and they rob people. A matter of fact, he formed a gang with like 5 of them was in the gang. 5 of them was in.
So was there a specific name for that gang? Or them just form a little group as a little bad man group?
I want to go bad man group.
Okay, understanding. Go ahead.
I'm about the group them. I'm bad man group.
Yeah man, me understand.
But them they are in the community and them they go on with them thing and they so forth people house and so forth. The first house them broke in the community was this girl grandmother house. The same girl grandmother house them broke in the community.
Oh, so hold on. So them broke in a Avia grandmother house.
Yes.
Okay. That is Mutombo and his friend them.
Mutombo and his friend them broke in the woman house.
Okay.
The Avia grandmother house. Avia grandmother live above Avia.
Yes.
She lived down at the bottom side. The mother lived, but the grandmother lived up by the top side.
Okay, so it's a big yard then.
No, that's like the road part them. The road part them.
Okay.
The road part.
Okay.
So at that time, he started foolishness in go around and in the broke people house and in the thief people things and then so forth. All about him go everywhere. Everywhere go. Because it's like him not ban this community, him ban a lottery.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
remember? And then he come up and start come up in the community and so forth. And him and the guy then go everywhere at night and then tear down cash pot place, then broke only per places.
Okay.
And they have one who they with them and benefit from the money and so forth.
Am I the only one who's reacted in such a surprise and like, what the hell? Explain that to me. This, me can't stop listening to this interview, yeah. It is so riveting. No, when I listen to this, or me alone feel like in a them community there is a lawless community. Cause everybody knows say, yo, them farm one little hungry belly gang. And them start walk and broke people place. The girl make them broke in her family house or grandmother house. She a fuck Mutombo. Yo, people can be so workless and crazy. What the hell is going on down in Montague Bay, down in a Jamaica, dog? What the Yo, listen to this.
Anyhow, it happened as he started to one with the antics and so forth, because they have woman or they with them what call the shot, you know, the woman them call the shot and thing what the woman them sending to do.
What a workless set of girl them down in a spring wherever them come from, down in a Mobile or wherever them come from. The girl them workless like the dirty boy them.
You go do it and so forth. So it happened as one of the guys, they must say, they went leave and go down by Gutters one night. So they go do photo shoot after them.
Hold on, Gutters is in, that is in St. Elizabeth.
No man, down in St. going back to Granville. And then go down there and then go do photo after them. Tear down one next lady house, then take the money and then go down, they go do photo shoot and so forth. It happened as when the photo shoot done and them come home the morning, they coming home the morning. I want thing with him, you know. Him in the gang, him in the group, but him in the front up in a no picture and them something. So when on the spot media, it was like they go on and they can't get no picture of him. It was the time when him go break the anti-house up a pint and she carry the man go break the anti-house up a pint up there. So and like the ID, the driver's ID drop out and they carry go. And so come and could get picture of him. As in the man like this in the front up in a no picture and
so Avia, hold on. Me nah cut you. So Avia was the one who carried Mutombo but broke her own anti-house?
Yo, like me say, me I listen to this and the ear at the back of my neck a stand up. Them people are not have not name loyalty. When you see how Jamaica is and how Jamaicans are, I want to listen to this, you know, and take sleep and mark that. Yo, me nah say it's not a nice place, but when me I say, majority of the people them are some sick mother.
Yes, the same cousin where you hear they talk about in cousin, they say in carry the man come broken and he was the guy is not about 1920. He farm with his mother gonna market the man, he gonna sell them not either two of them, the little girl and the little boy. Their mother left them home and then see exactly what happened. They don't know fool.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
So when she talk and they talk like she don't know nothing about it, she know a lot of things about it. She going to prick up herself. You hear the question, when you ask her the question, if the Mutombo shoot the uncle and she can't answer, she don't know she don't go here. That is not true. That is not true. We don't reach this yet. Anyhow, them there and then they go with them foolishness and they come home back the morning. One of them ride bad and if I threw them when they drink the night and all morning and they ride bad come meet up in a one accident out of Springfield. Now they come in a one bus, rush to the hospital, but then get to the hospital, it's a dead youth. You understand? So you leave, me see now, me see much of them. I think that one day that they are poor of them, 4 or 5 of them and leave alive and whatsoever.
Right.
So them a blame me pan the lead because they go the man also they go before they go do the photo shoot, Them a say the man walk up your pan, they make the boy meet in an accident and so forth. Then they blame me pan behavior. Grandmother says she walk up here and make them meet in an accident and so forth. So anyhow, then come home and they in the community and so forth. Another, then they go on with their foolishness and so forth, and people still watch them and they report them to the police and so. She lately, when he killed the youth, when him killed the youth, and then they hide out, she and him link up because when she ready, she drink rum and she drunk and she strip herself naked in the community and walk naked. Since she started to lick head with this man now, she is a changed girl. She's a changed girl. So the reason why she know exactly where she gonna meet the man, careful to give him in the eye from the police them and so forth. So from that, you know, say, yeah, man, me a man, you a man. Me a woman, you a man. You understand me? So if me they come which part of the afternoon and they supply you with food and then something, you know, so one of the things you go and finish. You understand? So they in the pharmacy when they together and so forth. Cause they never did together for long. Then all you say talk about, they never did together for long. And since the man they doing badness and the eye from the police, then she carry food go supply him. Okay. She you know with him. Anyhow, it happened that one other guy step in because him had the money spender now, cause him they do the scamming now. So him in the group with them now and him step in and him they buy the gun, give them and so forth, they supply them with the gun and so forth. In him we calling him?
Yeah man, calling him man.
In him, they call him Daran, otherwise known as cocky eye.
Daran or cocky eye?
Yes.
Okay.
Otherwise it was not cocky eye. Okay. So him now, he might want you that I neighbor. Well, them used to live as one when they grow up as they live as one. The neighbor teach him to scam. So the one of them come up and them build house, and when them build house, everybody, some people start growth, some people and whatever. So him take cocky eye, take himself from that guy and somebody. End up that. You don't know what happened, but one morning me dear, so me hear fire truck they make the house on fire. The guy house on fire, that the chopper youth house on fire. So him claim say now that the man they put in house on fire.
Oh, that Mutombo?
No, that the neighbor name him the guy did that when him Dino. Kaka claim say a Dino put in house on fire, so he have a grievance and care for Dino.
Okay.
Now we form the gang with Mutombo.
Mutombo then, right?
Yes, he pay Mutombo now to kill the guy in the shop. So I don't know if you know that story, the way one guy went killing at the shop, brown a spring yard, and then he say Mutombo kill him. Mutombo kill the guy going at the shop, and he might want the one named Nitro and shoot the guy right in the shop.
So Mutombo and Nitro go shoot Dino.
Yes.
And then go kill Dino because Kaki tell him that Dino burn on your house.
House,
okay,
right?
Good.
Yes. After he kill the guy, police they look for him, see him one time. Police say make off at him. They say the police shoot him. They say blood stain. Police say they look for him and can't find him or whatever. But see the police they don't know the bush like where they know. Cause them know the bush, them know the whole of the bush in a spring there. And every bush they know if you take with themselves and so forth. In the night, when I bike friend take him and can go a lottery the same night when the police them shoot off him and they look for him, then take him and can go a lottery.
Back in their hometown, in their community?
Yes.
Right.
So anyhow, until everything kind of boil long and cool long and so forth, and he come back up and then he come back up. When he come back up and up here, his behavior take him in and have in my house.
Oh.
Yes. So come back here, you should talk about it was his boyfriend and his boyfriend and his boyfriend. They never did nothing for no long time. They never did for no long. Then they have this long relationship. They go on for no time. And just because she can't put it up. Alright. Say this and say that. No, she She always in an argument with her uncle. And they say, when she has scam her money and make her money, she get her money come give her uncle. And her uncle no fi give him back his money, and the uncle now give him back his money and so forth. And the uncle have a difference going on, and the uncle have argument. And the uncle talk into the type of life where she they live, and she not here to afford, so she start to go on her way. So anyhow, she exactly know how the uncle did, because she and the uncle have confrontation the same morning, and as she carry the guy in the car ground, they go left round at the bush round to the uncle. And the first strip of banana the uncle make, the first strip of banana the uncle can find over the go there and come over the road, and they saw the guy attack him. Because the guy, if the guy went attack him front way, he couldn't manage the farmer, his uncle, him Samuel. He couldn't manage Samuel if we attack him, because let me tell you with this guy when they call him Mutombo. I just see gun and power, Mutombo man and the type of bad man, you know. I just see gun because I have a gun, I just see gun and power. And we just walk up on you and shoot you, so.
Yeah.
When you not expect.
So hold on, so I'm not cut you. So indeed, her Avia did carry Mutombo grown at farm, go left to kill your uncle.
Avia carried Mutombo grown at the farm, go kill the uncle grown at the farm. When Mutombo kill the uncle round there, Avia carry guy go left round there and come out back. Blame Sham, come out back. Because when Avia the transport Mutombo in the car, you can't know say Mutombo in the car. You hear she said our car dark and tint. You can't know say in the car because he laid up on the back seat. The time she the transport him go down, we are laid down in the back seat on the car. All when you hear she say Springmount police noir. Yes, Springmount police noir is a liar.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So he came around in the morning and he came around in the morning at 8 o'clock. Right? Latest 8 o'clock. He go around there and he shoot the guy. First trip of banana he make. He shoot the guy, go and kill the guy. And she was the first one. She was the first one, you know. Out there so. And they push the whip across the bush like they push about 3 miles. And the guy drive around bush. Have he beat his farm and then so the guy
No, when you hear that, apparently Sir P do an interview with Avia, and she says she don't know who kill her uncle. But you hear what that man here say, dog, or that person here say, this shit is crazy. Now, who can live in an environment like that? But one thing I realize, the people them was complaining about the dirty boy them, Mutombo. And the girl I was entertaining Mutombo. And she bring the man and him waiting at the bush. Cause I hear what the man say. The police them don't know the bush like the countryman them. Me's a town man, you know. And me never like country. About 2 country me ever go in my entire life. And I think 2 or 3 country. And one of them was a funeral. And when we did at the funeral, and parked the van start roll down the hill. And my brother have to jump in at the front seat, my big brother, and stop the blood cleat van. Me never forget that yet. In our country, yo. So, me is not a countryman. But I want to listen, you know. Sir P, like me say, him do a good job. He make the man talk and tell the stories and tell what's going on, and then him ask certain questions to clear up what the man I say. Listen to this. This is crazy. Yo, what's going on here is taking place all over Jamaica, but one thing that this thing I point out to me is that you see them women in Jamaica there with the bad man them, they're very complacent and they are enabling these bad men and the bad men family. Yo, this interview proves that. 100%.
Probably work hard, working guy, build house with people and then so work, having banana go and market for sell and so forth. And she was the first one so out of fear yard and ball up. Yeah, why they kill some more they kill some more around the bush, they kill some more around the bush. When the shooting going around there, you know, some people live around there, but one guy live around there named when the guy shooting him come back and he goes to the boy. We just got done the boy some. So
that a
if you tell
Mutombo said that boy.
Yes, if you go tell me say me done the boy some. Me don't go talk because everybody used to Samuel like that and Samuel a good man and whatsoever. And she round there and she round there and me hear say she round there the ball, they pretend the ball and there's something there. Everything what you hear she they talk. Everything what you hear she talk, no truth, no what she talk. Okay. Might be the only truth that might be not what she talk. She might go do a test and say she don't have no ears. But Mutombo, HIV positive, Mutombo, because he used to live with his baby mother at Cottage Road one day so. And when he must find out they have AIDS, he chop up the baby mother.
So she died?
Go back and room down.
Oh. So Mutombo did feel like the baby mother give him the HIV then?
Right.
So he chop up the baby mother?
Right. Yes, he chop up the baby mother.
And she survived?
Yeah, the man, he could survive because yeah, she survived.
Okay.
She survived. You understand me?
Right.
So every move, since she live with this man, live with the man, and they feed the man. Every move the man they go up and she know.
Okay.
She know exactly I not the final. You have other girl, same place in a spring and there's a way they deal with the man same way because of the thieving money them. Because they go everywhere go thief. The guy, the truth is, he buy one vaccine. He buy the vaccine, one white vaccine. Because they had in the area at police, they must say go a party one night, police put them up around the long police, take them, capture them, and I don't know if I pay for whatsoever the police can get. So be the encourage Springfield Square, one of the police they tell him to drive what in back at them. He turn off down in a bandit bush and escape from them. You understand? So till one of the time he did have one policeman on Springmount when feed and he went shoot after the policeman one of the time in a Carlton. Because the policeman used to take him money. So the policeman have left Springmount police station. And then we capture the vaccine and have it a station. So he never they drive young way have the bike now they ride. He never they drive and support. So anyway moving they go pan. Any moving they go pan Avia camp and they move.
Okay, so Avia transport Mutombo and they move due to the fact that his vaccine was confiscated and parked at the station.
Park at the station.
Okay, and the policeman will send the shoot off because in shoot after the policeman make the policeman have to leave Springmount police station?
Yes.
Okay, because him normally feed the policeman, like buy him out.
Yes, buy out the policeman.
Okay, and maybe something go wrong and he end up have a shoot after the police. Okay.
But truly, if he expect, might be expect say that the policeman if he protect him.
And he not protect him as much.
And he not protect him, but anytime police come up and Springmount police.
Them not go use the area police and not enough people don't realize.
Springmount police. But then if he say a Springmount police say the mischief and him or whatsoever. You understand?
Right.
So it happened as one, I don't know if you hear this story, because one spot me that used to carry, they may have one grave digging for one old lady around the bush, around one same place around a Delphi mountain, around there. And they may shoot up, him and the friend them shoot up the car with some my enemy them, when we in the car, they come from the grave digging and shoot up the car with them. Lucky is then nobody not get hurt more than so they might get pimple in them foot and if you get in them press, one little girl went in there, get in her press and so forth.
Right.
And it happened as one guy when get some 9 foot from Old Springfield too. when they lock up the next one they have him now lock up right now. Why name Color. In Carlin, they have him in a lock up. Because they might be enemies. Because like they have a set to run off back road and one run off top road.
Right.
So it happened as when the guy he want to get the shot in the foot at Springfield in confirm. So he was transport the guy them now the car with them shoot up the car. Them know say they shoot up the car with them in night. Anyhow, he worked for like a couple of weeks and so forth. Mutombo, in this if he kill the guy, Avia was the one who transport him go at the guy yard. Lucky is when they catch at the gate, they see the mother. And that time him lead on the car back, the mother say he see the man lead on the car back, but he don't know who. And she know, she do the talking, I say, where your son Jason there? Check me go check.
So what check me go check. Just for clarification, so while Mutombo is on the back seat of Avia's car, Avia is the one that basically works as the decoy to basically call in the victims, yes. Pull in the victims.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Pull them into Mutombo's reach for him to basically launch an attack. Okay.
Yes. So the mother's like the mother. None of the spirit of God speak to the mother, and the mother said to him, say, you know, say, in Ghana town, you know. But the guy didn't Ghana town, but the mother just using it fast and say, in Ghana town, you know. It's like, she said she go back and remember the incident what happened with the guy, and when he take a step, he knows that she and Mutombo bar, and he said, oh, all of a sudden she come go ask me if my son Chachi use her head fast and say, the guy Ghana town, you know, in Ghana town, and say, like she asked him, so when he come back, and she, you know, say, me no know when he coming back, and she said, alright, then tell him, say, my friend Avia, my pass through and they give him a one check and so forth.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
So if the guy was there, and she called the guy would have go.
And that would be the end. And
that would be the end.
Okay.
So when she talks, she know if the guy killed someone. She know.
And Samuel is our uncle.
And Samuel is her uncle. She set up the guy to kill her uncle.
Okay, due to the fact that they have some dispute over scamming money then.
Yes.
Allegedly.
Yes, and she went take care of herself. She said about she live at Westmoreland. And since the uncle that she go to Westmoreland go live because too, she take care of herself because some people did offer her. The uncle friend them did offer her. And she take care of herself and go to Westmoreland go live.
Okay.
And she got Westmoreland go live, the guy still the follow her back, put on there with her. And when she ready, she come here much a clap before the morning time when everybody they sleep, come pick up and go, and so she roll her for her things.
Okay.
And yeah.
Good.
So till it happened as when Samuel did, 2 more out of the gang did, 2 more. One get shot down the same place on a retirement. They didn't call her man frame.
Oh.
Man frame. She shot at the same time when someone did like a reprisal and so forth.
Okay, so because Avia carry Mutombo go kill her uncle, which is Samo friend them kill back man frame as a reprisal to get back at Mutombo and Avia them.
We don't know if a film friend them. If a Samo friend them kill her, nobody don't know who. But the same night she get shoot up. Same night she get shoot up down her gutters.
Me remember when man frame dead man, the town boy looking.
Yes. Same night she get shoot up down her gutters. The next guy now, when him hears say someone get shot, he went down a fit in bush. And me hear say him fling with the machete and run up like he say, Jesus Christ. And the wrong man then kill. You understand me? And when he come up, When he come up and him and him one name night show them beard and then jump on them bike and they end up a girl and they end up a girl and police when they look for them. Police can't find them, everybody scatter until Mutombo still there and so forth. And they will capture the one named Babu. They capture Babu. We capture Babu. SWAT for now everything when coming at the area this Saturday. Handcuff him down in a van and carry him away. And they capture him because him one of the time when him coming at the area, you know, him basically coming at the area and he work for everybody. He work him a good guy and fan him going at the group. Nobody can stop him again, and you know the only thing why he never do, he never kill nobody in that area, and he never draw no gun by nobody in that area. But he was the one who, when police were capture him, they capture him and he will run away with the handcuff. He will run away with the handcuff, and when he run away with the handcuff, he went to work for Samo. Samo have him in a bush there. They work for him and they feed him, and.
Yo, me have to ask a question. Is Jamaica a real place? Yo, to me, this sound like a living nightmare to blow out. Now, some of him pick up the dirty boy, them him have him farm and I do him thing, I build house for people, and him take up the dirty boy, them one of them will run away, and I feed them and I close him and I hide him in a bush, and I the same set of man them friend end up killing Mutombo them. The man I say boy, him don't know if the youth, but I'm friend them and him loyal to them boy there. And that me can't understand with them so-called bad boy. Them out there kill people, you know, and I do everything. And them now know where to live. Broke badness. And then, from what I see, and me I point it out one more time again, the woman them, now, when you see how much wanted man there at Jamaica, well, just imagine all of the girl them where they behind the wanted man them and the man them where do crime. So the woman them, the police them need to start program the girl them, yo.
The end of the day, they turn on past Samo, but him never in it when Samo dead, you know, because him said the wrong man dead. Okay. So we don't know which one of the man will be dead.
Okay. But obviously, him didn't know what one. Somehow what one.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, because the whole of the gang.
Right.
And the whole of the gang. Right. You understand? So when she they talk and they go on like she don't know no. A lie she they tell. Lie.
Okay.
She's a liar.
Okay. Clear understanding. Thank you very much for this. Clear understanding, man.
You get the call up Sir P. And me say Sir P, so let's find him and give him 2 bucks in his face.
Yeah, so basically.
Because exactly. When you go compound things, compound talk things, and you know get the full facts. And the full facts and the full thing the man get. You understand me?
Right.
Even when the girl dead, you know, when the man frame dead, you know, she even go and go put tattoo on her hand. Put tattoo on her hand and say, R.I.P. my friend. You understand?
Okay, if you could put on tattoo for man frame.
Yes, and say R.I.P. my friend.
Okay.
Well, it's kinda sad, but you hear what the person say, him glad when them kill Mutombo, because Mutombo was terrorizing the neighborhood, the gang, and the scammer them, and the dirty girl them. It seems like you have a lesbian one day they were near man frame. After Samo dead, it looked like them retaliate, Samo friend them or whoever retaliate for a man frame. A man frame power with Mutombo and him girl.
And the whole of them in the gang and the whole of them know exactly what they go on that spring yard in the street. I mean I tell you sir, I am here, I'm so glad they kill Mutombo. Glad because when we set up the police and the police them come, it's like through them know the bush and the police is a man with no circle. You know, circling with the year. So now when you will see him and be time if you take up your phone and call the police come, police not see me, him gone, zipper.
Yeah man.
So they have the whole of them when they carry around him and they transport him around. Even the same guy when I tell you about the one and got behind with the him they spend the money. That time they go like, yes, they have him down a barn, it push down, so they hide the money or something there. Understand? So if the most of them know exactly what they want. A tree, let me see. Samu and Tad. 3 youth in killing that area.
So Dino was the one that cocky I said Mutombo if you go kill him like a Dino burning your house.
Yes, I see things that Dino going down in your house.
And then Avia and then someone was Avia's uncle when Mutombo go kill. That's number 2.
Yes.
And number 3 now is
and in co-worker where they work with the co-worker.
Okay. And he claims that
right,
and he claims that the co-worker snitch on him saying go kill him.
Right.
Right, so those 3 life, them 3 duffy they basically dip on Mutombo head for sure.
Yes, and the two went kill out the liquor pot.
That is why the couple in the house?
The couple in the house.
Yeah,
and kill them.
Yeah, because you're saying kill the couple in the house too.
Yeah, because your girl used to come up here to him.
Yeah, because Mir says that girl they normally spending money on her, thieving money on.
Yes.
And then she go take man and he kill her.
The same Saturday when him break the auntie Avia out and get the money. The girl go out the Sunday at the beach.
Oh, that's the same girl when go kill with the youth in the bed.
The same girl when go kill with the youth in the bed out of the cupboard.
Hold on, so for clarification again, after them broke Avia auntie house and get the money in car, the same girl go at beach.
Same girl in Kaga Beach.
Okay, good.
All the people did live in fear of Mutombo.
Okay. So Avia's story was basically lies, fabricated, mendacious.
Fabricated lie, plan lie, everything a lie.
Okay, just to basically
lie.
Save herself.
She's a liar. Yes,
Okay.
just to basically save herself. You hear when you ask her the question, say, if she knows I'm not more killing uncle here, what she said, she no know here she hear like you know this one I nephew he hear the talk, so no go so sir. And she basically carry the man around, they go left the man to kill the uncle.
Okay.
And she and the uncle have quarreled the morning.
Yeah, man.
And she tell the uncle she go kill him over the money.
Okay. Good.
All that shit they talk up here like, so that's why I say maybe me listen to them, say I want to talk to the man, you know, and they tell the man say don't believe what Avia they say.
What a vicious, sick set of people there, man. My God. Yo, me nah lie, Sir P nailed that interview, yeah. But, me I go let her know, you know, but me I go say something. This girl, yeah, one of the most dangerous girl. She come on TV, on the platform them, and attack. But she not attack how she enable Mutombo. Mutombo kill about 5-6 people. Him did have AIDS. She a grind him. You understand? And them a kill, them a rob. And the people in the neighborhood was terrified. And them tell the police, the police get rid of him. The man say was glad the police them get rid of him. But what is sad about this, it's the behavior of us Jamaicans. And like I said, the Mutombo story is not unique. Unfortunately, it's a common story throughout the whole Jamaica. And like me say, I did have to comment and give my 2 cents on that one, yeah. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Countryman, I'm out. Remember me tell you, them girl there, them Jamaican there, man.